At Orbbo, every botanical ingredient is produced through carefully managed systems designed to protect natural compounds while meeting international quality expectations. Our Gotu Kola, Centella Asiatica, leaf powder is manufactured in a controlled, traceable processing environment that supports safety, consistency, and reliable formulation performance for nutraceutical and herbal applications worldwide. The process begins with sourcing Gotukola leaves from trusted cultivation regions where sustainable farming practices and traceable agricultural methods are followed. Harvesting takes place at the appropriate maturity stage, helping maintain optimal levels of naturally occurring triterpenoid compounds such as Asiatic oside, madecassoside, and related bioactive constituents. Only healthy, contamination-free leaves are selected for processing. Each batch undergoes systematic evaluation, including physical inspection, foreign matter removal, visual conformity assessment, moisture level verification. Any material that does not meet Orbbo's internal standards is removed before further processing begins. The approved leaves are then passed through sequential washing and cleaning stages designed to remove dust and surface impurities while minimizing stress on delicate plant compounds. This step establishes a hygienic foundation for the processing cycle. Drying is conducted under calibrated temperature and airflow parameters to prevent degradation of triterpenoid compounds, maintain natural green pigmentation, stabilize moisture content, support extended shelf life. Water activity is optimized to ensure microbial stability. Once dried, the leaves are processed using food-grade pulverization systems designed to minimize excessive heat during grinding. The powder then passes through precision mesh sieving systems to achieve particle size consistency aligned with customer specifications. To ensure safety and product integrity, advanced sterilization techniques are applied to reduce microbial load while preserving the botanical's natural composition. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, moisture levels, and bioactive content, ensuring compliance with international quality benchmarks. The finished organic Gotukola leaf powder is packed under controlled conditions, stored with care, and distributed to markets worldwide. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets, nurtured through sustainable practices, uncompromising food safety, consistent quality assurance, and zero pesticide use, all with a touch of care and dedication. We are Orbbo.